Hello, how to solve for s from this given equation? 2 raised to power s is equal to 3 raised to power s plus 3. Solution. 2 raised to power s is equal to 3 raised to power s plus 3. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 3 raised to power s plus 3. Then this is s log 2 is equal to s plus 3 log 3. S log 2 is equal to, let's open this bracket, s log 3 plus 3 log 3. And this is s log 2 minus s log 3 is equal to 3 log 3. Here s is common. S bracket log 2 minus log 3 is equal to 3 log 3. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 2 minus log 3. This is divided by log 2 minus log 3. This is divided by log 2 minus log 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to 3 log 3 divided by log 2 minus log 3. But log 3 is equal to 0.4771 and log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Let's substitute. S is equal to 3 bracket log 3, that is 0.4771 divided by log 2, 0.3010 minus 0.4771. S is equal to 3 multiplied by this. We have 1.4313 over 0.3010 minus 0.4771. This is minus 0.1761. Then if you divide this by this, S will be equal to minus 8.1278. This is the final answer.